Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure SteamGuard is active and you can access the registered email. Once done, check Family View and any purchase or age restrictions so you know what's blocking access. Collect key account evidence, recent receipts, device names, and the exact username because Steam support will ask. This step speeds resolution and prevents back and forth. You're not guessing, you're preparing a clear case to present, and that clarity matters when you move to the next actionable steps. Now you open Steam support and choose My Account, then Manage Restrictions. Pick the precise restriction you see. You'll attach evidence, receipts, screenshots of errors, and device timestamps, because concrete proof shortens review time. In the message, explain what happened, list a clear timeline with dates, and state what you want. Lift Family View, restore purchases, or appeal a ban. Be polite and factual. That makes reviewers more likely to act promptly. Once submitted, note the ticket ID and expect a reply window. To finish, monitor the ticket and respond promptly if support asks for extra verification. Do it within 48 hours to avoid delays. If the restriction is lifted, test login and purchases. If denied, request a clear explanation and any further evidence they need. You may need secondary verification like ID or purchase proof. One troubleshooting tip: if your case stalls, escalate politely in the same ticket, and avoid account sharing or third-party services. They often cause suspension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.